We can be a global leader in advanced manufacturing because we have all the pieces. We have the manufacturers. We have the talent. We have the people. We have the know-how. We have the education institutions. We have big companies. We have small companies. We have the will. And we have the record of bouncing back and getting stronger every single time of 100 years or more. This is Northeast Ohio. This is our backbone. This is our heart and soul. We can tap into that and we can lead by pulling all of these pieces together to make a really big difference to Northeast Ohio and to all of our lives. This won't be easy. It won't happen overnight. It's going to be messy, incredibly complicated, but the upside is immense. And we owe it to ourselves, to our region, to our friends, to our family, to the next generation to get this done.